Thank you very much for clicking the video. I hope you are a blender buyer. For your convenience in determining which type of blender you need, I have listed the 5 best blenders in the comfort zone. Let's get started. Number 1. Experience the might of professional power with a robust 1000-watt motor capable of effortlessly crushing ice and breaking down even the toughest ingredients. This blender operates on corded electric power with an amperage of 12.5 amps. Delight in XL capacity as the 72-ounce professional blender pitcher becomes your go-to for crafting frozen drinks and creamy smoothies to satisfy the entire family, with a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces. Engage with intelligent technology through total crushing technology, delivering unparalleled power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in a matter of seconds. Transform ice into a snowy delight in mere seconds, allowing you to blend your favorite ingredients into delectable resort-style frozen drinks that tantalize the taste buds. Unlock your culinary creativity with the included recipe guide, offering inspiration for crafting a variety of drinks and dishes that showcase the blender's capabilities. Simplify your post-blending routine with easy cleanup, as the BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe, ensuring that the cleaning process is as straightforward and effortless as the blender's operation. The package includes the 1000-watt motor-based professional blender and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Number 2. Extraordinary crushing power. Experience the might of a 2+ horsepower motor as the 72 ounces total crushing pitcher effortlessly turns ice into a snow-like consistency within seconds, ideal for crafting velvety frozen drinks and smoothies. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Versatile food processing. The 8-cup food processor bowl guarantees precise and uniform chopping, capable of producing up to 2 pounds of dough in a mere 30 seconds. For customizable functions, harness the prowess of 1500 watts with blend, mix, crush, and single-serve functions to tailor your drink-making adventure to perfection. On the go convenience, embrace portability with 2 16 ounces. Ninja cups, complete with to-go lids, facilitating the creation of personalized, nutrient-rich drinks for your active lifestyle. Blades for every culinary endeavor. Equip yourself with the stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade, and chopping blade for the processor bowl, as well as Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Rapid dough mixing. A robust dough mixer exhibits the torque necessary for swift and even ingredient folding, capable of producing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Inspirational recipes. Unleash your creativity with a 31 recipe inspiration guide included to inspire delectable smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Comprehensive package. Your kit comprises a 1500-watt motor base, 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, 64 ounces max liquid capacity, 64 ounces. Processor bowl, 2 16 ounces. Ninja cups with to-go lids, stacked blade assembly, Ninja blades, dough blade, chopping blade, and a 31 recipe inspiration guide. Number 3. The Magic Bullet revolutionizes your kitchen experience by effortlessly blending, mixing, and chopping your favorite foods within seconds. Enjoy the convenience of easy cleaning. Just unscrew the blade, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Empowered by a high-torque 250-watt motor, this versatile machine knows no bounds in creating an array of sauces, dips, drinks, and snacks. The stainless steel crossblade and super durable, BPA-free cups ensure both durability and safety in your culinary adventures. Unboxed a comprehensive set, including a 250W motor base, crossblade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a 10-second recipe guide. Let your creativity flow as you explore the limitless possibilities this kitchen marvel brings to your culinary repertoire. A hassle-free cleaning ritual remains a highlight. Just give the blade a quick twist, rinse with soap and water, and let the dishwasher take care of the cups. As an additional assurance, this product comes with a 1-year limited warranty, underlining the commitment to durability and performance. Enhance your culinary toolkit with this versatile appliance, which falls under the categories of cook's tools, cream maker's chargers, and electric blenders. Elevate your cooking experience and streamline your kitchen routine with the Magic Bullet, where innovation meets ease. Number 4. The Ultra, boasting a robust 1200-watt motor, stands as our most potent single-serve blender. Not only does it hold this impressive power, but it also claims the title of our quietest blender, thanks to a unique design engineered to generate lower frequency sound. Featuring a sleek profile, this blender minimizes its footprint on your kitchen counter, seamlessly incorporating innovative design into your home. Upon meeting the power base, a glow interface illuminates two blending options. Opt for the full circle for an automated smoothie cycle or choose the pulse circle for hands-on control. Our blending cups now sport Tritan Renew, a resilient material crafted with 50% certified recycled content. These cups are not only BPA-free but also shatter-resistant and dishwasher-safe. Equipped with a stainless steel platform and titanium coating, the rapid extractor blade enhances longevity and reduces blending time. Rest assured, each blade comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Number 5. Embark on a journey to a healthier lifestyle with the original Nutribullet, a comprehensive solution for your nutritional needs. Experience the ease of crafting nutritious smoothies by effortlessly blending an array of fruits, vegetables, liquids, and more, providing your body with essential nutrients in a simple and delightful manner. Unleash the power of 600 watts in the original Nutribullet blender, transforming everything from succulent strawberries to vibrant spinach into a seamlessly blended, sip-worthy nutrition boost. The device's essential design ensures a user-friendly experience. Just push, twist, and blend for a hassle-free daily routine. Cleaning is a breeze with the Nutribullet. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and conveniently place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Achieve optimal health without the unnecessary hassle. Included in this package is a 600W motor base, an extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a recipe book to inspire your culinary creations. Rest assured, the product is built to meet North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring safety and reliability in every use. Elevate your well-being with the Nutribullet, your gateway to a healthier you.